Hello my loves, in today's video I'm going to be showing how I made this lush lamb shank roast. To start with, I've taken two lamb shanks and I have cleaned it completely, and using a kitchen towel I'm just drying it down. This ensures that the masala or the marination sticks well to the lamb. Now, using a sharp knife, I am making some deep cuts on the lamb. As you can see, it's quite deep. Doing this will help the masala to go all the way in, and it helps the meat to stay nice and juicy. Now I'm going to be making a special spice mix by mixing 2 teaspoons of mixed peppers, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Now using a spice mixer, I'm just going to grind all the ingredients. Now to make the marination in a large bowl, I'm mixing in 2 tablespoons of yogurt or curd, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. And I'm also adding in all the following spices in the mixture. Here I'm finally adding some salt to taste and a big squeeze of half lemon juice. Now mix all the ingredients together until it forms a paste like consistency, and add the lamb shanks to it and make sure you marinate it for 3 hours or even overnight. Now the yogurt and lemon juice we added in this mixture or the marination will help the meat to get nice and tender. Now I'm placing the lamb shanks in a foiled baking tray, and I'm going to put another layer of foil on top, and before that I'm going to add some oil, and I'm also spreading the extra masala on top of the lamb. Here instead of oil I'm using this Fry Light olive oil spray, but you can absolutely use any oil you like. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to place another layer of foil sheet on top of the lamb, to not completely cover the lamb but almost cover it up. And I've preheated the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And I'm just placing the lamb shank in, and I'm going to be cooking that for 4 to 5 hours at 180 degrees Celsius. So this is how it looks. Also make sure to turn the lamb shank upside down occasionally in between. And I took the foil sheet out for the last 20 minutes so it's nice and roasted. I've also made some chicken biryani on that day, so we enjoyed lamb shank with that. And that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this. If so, please do subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.